Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, let's know some interesting facts about a keyboard. Let's get started. Only 20% of the internet users can type without looking at the keyboard. Second one, the keyboard commands are processed faster than the commands given by a mouse. As you can see on the screen, this is the first ever modern keyboard. Its name is Model M 1984. It was created by the IBM company and the Lexmark company together. Fact number 4. The spacebar is the most used key. According to a research, every 1/10 of a second, 6 lakh people hit the space key, which means that whenever you hit the space key, along with you, right at the moment, 6 lakh other people hit the space key. An average US traditional keyboard consists of almost 101 keys, whereas an average Windows keyboard consists of 104 keys. The most common question asked about a keyboard: why are the keys arranged in a random way and why not in an alphabetical order? This is because when the typewriter was invented earlier, the keys were set in a normal way or in alphabetical order. The people were typing so fast that the keys even got jammed and blocked sometimes. Then, an American inventor called Christopher Latham Scholes introduced the QWERTY model in order to decrease the speed of the typers. But it became so popular that we even use. Number 8. Now, what you see on your screen is a laser keyboard or a beamer keyboard. Now, let me explain how it works. Whenever the user's finger makes a keystroke on the virtual keyboard, this breaks the infrared beam and reflects light back to the projector. The reflected beam passes through an infrared filter to the camera and gives input. This is how it. Fact number 9. This is the keyboard monument located in Yekaterinburg, Russia. It was created by Anatoly Vyaktin on October 5th, 2005. Each regular key weighs about 81 kgs, with the spacebar alone weighing up to 450 kgs. The entire monument weighs up to 1.3 ton, which is 1300 kgs. Amazing, right?